All right, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a smartphone that comes with a pretty interesting combination of features for everyday users, and this is the Infinix Note Edge. At first glance, this phone already gives a premium vibe thanks to its slim body, large AMOLED display, and a battery capacity that honestly looks very tempting for daily use. What makes this phone interesting is how Infinix tries to balance style, performance, multimedia experience, and battery life into one package that still feels approachable for most users. So in this video, we're going to casually talk about what the Infinix Note Edge offers, how it feels in daily usage, and whether the experience is enjoyable for normal users who use their phones for social media, gaming, streaming, photography, and productivity. And honestly, after looking at the specs and features, this phone does have several points that immediately stand out. Let's start from the design first, because this is one of the strongest first impressions from the Infinix Note Edge. This phone comes with a body thickness of only around 7.2 millimeters, which makes it feel surprisingly slim when held in the hand. Even though it packs a massive 6,500 milliamp battery, the phone still feels sleek and modern. The weight is around 190 grams, so it doesn't feel overly heavy either. For daily use, like chatting, scrolling social media, or watching videos for long periods, the phone still feels comfortable to hold. On the back, Infinix uses a clean and modern camera module design. Meanwhile, the front side has a punch-hole display that helps the screen look more immersive. The build itself combines glass front with plastic back and frame. So yes, it still uses plastic materials on several parts, but visually, it still looks stylish and neat. Another nice bonus is the IP65 rating. That means this phone already has resistance against dust and light water splashes. So for daily situations like light rain or accidental splashes, users can feel a bit safer. Now moving to the display, and honestly, this is one of the most enjoyable parts of the Infinix Note Edge. The phone uses a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution. The screen already supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, so animations and scrolling feel smoother compared to standard displays. Whether you're scrolling through TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or just navigating the system UI, everything feels fluid and responsive. Because this is an AMOLED panel, colors look more vibrant and blacks appear deeper. Watching movies or streaming content at night feels more satisfying on this type of screen. Brightness is also quite impressive. The peak brightness can reach up to 1600 nits, so outdoor visibility under sunlight should still feel comfortable. Another thing that's nice is the screen protection already uses Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, which adds extra confidence for daily use. For performance, the Infinix Note Edge is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7100 chipset built on a 6nm process. This processor is paired with 8 GB RAM and storage options up to 256 GB. For most users, this combination is already more than enough for tasking, gaming, and daily activities. Opening multiple apps, switching between social media, watching videos, and casual gaming should feel smooth without major issues. The CPU itself uses a combination of Cortex-A78 performance cores and Cortex-A55 efficiency cores, so it tries to balance speed and battery efficiency at the same time. For gaming, the Mali G610 GPU is capable enough to handle popular games comfortably. Games like Mobile Legends, PUBG Mobile, COD Mobile, or similar titles should run quite nicely on medium to high settings. And because the display already supports 120 Hz, the gaming experience also feels smoother visually. Now let's talk about the camera. The Infinix Note Edge comes with a 50-megapixel main camera. For everyday photography, this camera should already be capable of producing detailed and social media-ready photos. In daylight conditions, photos should look sharp with decent color reproduction. HDR support also helps maintain balance between bright and dark areas in photos. For casual users who mostly upload photos to Instagram, WhatsApp, or TikTok, the camera experience should already feel satisfying. Video recording itself supports up to 1440p at 30 FPS, so users can already record videos with fairly good clarity for daily content creation. Meanwhile, on the front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera that should be enough for video calls, selfies, and online meetings. For multimedia, the experience also looks promising. The phone already comes with stereo speakers tuned by JBL, which is quite interesting for entertainment lovers. Watching YouTube, Netflix, or listening to music should feel more immersive because the sound comes from both sides of the phone. The device also supports high-res and high-res wireless audio, so users who enjoy listening with wireless earbuds can still get a better audio experience. Even though the 3.5mm headphone jack is no longer available, the overall audio package still feels modern and enjoyable for most users. Now, this is probably one of the biggest highlights of the Infinix Note Edge, and that is the battery. The phone packs a huge 6,500 milliamp battery capacity, which is honestly massive for daily usage. For normal users, this battery should easily last all day, even with heavy activities like gaming, streaming, social media, and video watching. Infinix also includes 45-watt fast charging. According to the information available, the battery can charge up to 50% in around 27 minutes, which is pretty fast considering the large capacity. There's also bypass charging support, which means power can go directly to the motherboard instead of constantly charging the battery. This helps reduce heat during long gaming sessions. And interestingly, the phone also supports reverse wired charging, meaning it can act like a power bank for other devices. The Infinix Note Edge runs Android 16 with XOS 16 on top. Infinix promises up to 3 major Android upgrades, which is a good point for users who plan to use the phone for several years. For security, the phone already uses an in-display fingerprint scanner, making the unlocking process feel modern and practical. Connectivity features are also complete enough for daily usage. There's NFC, infrared blaster, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, and even FM radio support. So overall, the phone already covers most of the features that normal users usually look for in a modern smartphone. So after looking at the overall package, the Infinix Note Edge feels like a smartphone that focuses heavily on giving a balanced everyday experience. It has a slim design, a large AMOLED 120Hz display, capable performance, stereo speakers, a huge battery, and features that already feel complete for modern daily usage. For users who want a phone that feels enjoyable for entertainment, gaming, social media, and long battery life, the Infinix Note Edge definitely looks interesting to pay attention to. And honestly, with the combination of features offered here, this phone already feels very comfortable for most users who simply want a reliable smartphone experience without making things overly complicated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.